These sticks will in fact last you for months. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'm here to talk to you about the 9 Steps Essential sanding blocks. And these are really cool, and you wouldn't associate the sanding blocks with RC, but I'm going to show you how I use them. So in this packet of the sanding blocks, you actually get 4 grades. So you get 2 sticks. Let me open it up for you. Sorry about all the crinkling plastic. Inside the packet here, you actually get 2 sticks, okay? And the sticks are double-sided, so in fact you get 4 grades of sandpaper, and it's all clearly marked. So you can see right here, we've got the super coarse 120 grit, and then over this on the top side here, I got 240, and that's why the other one turns upside down. So whichever one is facing upwards, that's which one you are using. So that is really cool. So that's the 120 240 stick, and then we've got the finer 400 and 600 grit stick, and that's really good for your finer detail work. So, and these are fully cuttable and able to be manipulated into almost any shape. So they've got enough give in them to give you that support and that comfort when you're using it, but they're also got the strength to keep it nice straight and give you a flat edge. Now, what I'm going to do with them today is I'm going to bang some tires onto my Tyre Sander and show you how I use them, because these are such a cool little thing to have in your pit box, and yeah, so versatile. So I've got a brand new tire here, and you can see that by the way that it's got the line on it, and it's super shiny. This is a 1/10 on-road tire, and what we like to do is in fact get rid of that mold line and scuff off the shininess, so yeah, give us maximum grip. So I'm going to just spin this up now, and I'll get that going away from myself, and I'm going to get the 240 grit, sorry, the 120 grit, and I'm going to go ahead and just work that one up. You can see here I'm just lightly doing it. There's no need to push too hard on it. Don't generate too much heat straight up. Getting off all the big, really focusing on the middle line here of that mold line of the tire. I'll turn the stick around a little bit and really get into it. Now I've got my Tyre Sander just on slow speed for the moment, like so. You can see all the rubber and debris coming off. Give that a second. Getting rid of all that shininess. Let's have a look and see how we did. So you can see here we've got the perfect rough finish on our tire. Now that's good. Now what I'm going to do now is get the finer stick out and get it down on the 400 and get it even smoother again. Just get the speed right, like so. And we're getting a nice uniform finish across the tire. And then I'm going to finish it off with the 600, like so. And that is it. And that is how we've prepared our tire for the first time use. Now you can see the finish off it if I bring it up close to the camera here. We've got completely rid of that mold line. We've got rid of all the glossiness and shine off the tire. Any release agent from the production process. It's ready to have your favorite tire group and in the warmers. Now, the beauty about these 9 Steps sanding sticks is that they're completely reusable. So all you have to do is give it a little tap off, all the excess rubber will come off, and you can see there's no wear and tear on here. So these sticks will in fact last you for months. So it's a handy little thing I'd like to show you. And yeah, that's a really good application of the 9 Steps Essential sanding sticks. I'm Brett from Hearns, and thanks for watching.